What's up? This is Seth with SethPerler.com, and I'm an executive function coach based out of Boulder, Colorado, and I help students navigate this thing called education so that they can have a great future. And students, today I have a word of advice for you. And that advice is this. It's one of the most important pieces of advice I could give anybody in the world at any time. And that piece of advice is this: be very selective about who you surround yourself with, and choose to put yourself and to surround yourself with people who bring out the best in you. People who push you to be yourself. People who will tell you the truth to your face about yourself, even if it's a difficult conversation, because they care about you enough to tell you the truth and not just act like everything's always okay. Surround yourself with people who are going to help you be the best version of yourself that you can be during this precious lifetime. Every moment we have is so precious. It is so valuable. And who we spend our time with, where we put our energy, how we spend our time really matters. It's really valuable. Every moment is valuable. Ask yourself how you're spending your time and energy and who you're spending it with. And again, to sum up, my piece of advice for you is to surround yourself with people who love you and care about you and will tell you the truth and who are kind to you and will help you become the best version of yourself that you can be, because we need you. The world needs you. We literally need you to develop your best self, your strengths, your passions, your interests, the things that really matter to you on a deep level. The world needs you to develop your best self. So again, my name is Seth with SethPerler.com. I'm an executive function coach out of Boulder, Colorado, and I hope you have a great day surrounded with people that bring you up. Take care.